Hi, I'm Thomas, and welcome to the HALTECH booth, and let's show you some of the products today. So we have the new dash, which is all CAN based, and we also have it for OBD2, and eventually down the road we will have it for other ECUs, but as of right now it is a HALTECH product exclusively. So I'll show you some of the features we have for this. We have the different gauge with all the information displayed, which is customizable to an extent that we can see different parameters, the old school style, and that way we can look at it and have the different features for the customization. This has its own software that is customizable, and then it will allow you to sync it with the ESP software as well. As you can see with the buttons over the touchscreen, it does allow you, like I said, for the race application, with the gloves, it allows you to press the buttons. You have dimming, darkening features. So what we have on this display is we have coolant temp, air temp, speed, manifold pressure, and you can customize these to tailor your needs. Different layouts. This is the old style race pack throwback for all of our people that had that and like that feature. So we also have it for the street car guys. You have a turn signal application, you have a high beam indicator, and you also have a parking indicator. This is going to be CAN based to any of the HALTECH ECUs. And then we also have a version that is OBD2 that will connect to your factory ECU through OBD2 connector that will show you some of those parameters as well. So this was released on Black Friday, and it is now available at all dealers and at the HALTECH website, www.haltech.com.